Well, I'm out here at the kitchens of Esotico Pasta. We're out at Wooden Shoe Bulb, and I'm with Barry. And Barry, Esotico Pasta, tell me about it.
Well, our pasta, we basically describe it as artisan, handmade, gourmet pasta. And we have 15 different flavors, including lasagna. So we have two versions of lasagna. We have unflavored and garlic herb.
Because looking at your lineup here, you have some very unique and different flavors than what you're going to find anywhere else.
Yes, we do.
So what is your favorite flavor?
I'm glad you asked, and I get that question a lot. So I have 3 of them. My favorite is 3 pepper, smoked portobello, and I smoke the portobellos myself on my Traeger. So take a little pride in that.
Right.
And also I love the black bean chipotle.
Oh,
so you kind of see what my taste is.
Right,
Big, bold
very
flavors.
Interesting
Yes.
flavor profiles. And you were saying too that you like to, you guys are sourcing all of these materials locally.
Yes.
And so are you going out to local farmers and bringing in these flavors?
Yeah, all above. So we source from local farms in the Willamette Valley. For instance, we get all of our flour from Bob's Red Mill in Clackamas, and they're probably my biggest vendor so far. So we really try to keep things local, and we pride ourselves on that. And also, it just adds kind of to the mystique of the brand. Right,
because being this small batch, this this hand done thing, it's very hands on, that you're doing, right?
Correct.
Yeah, and so if people are looking around, they like seeing all these new pastas, and they want to support the local. Whereabouts can they go, to find your pastas?
That's a good question. Well, the first place I would start would be esoticopasta.com.
Okay.
Go to our website, and you'll see various locations that we're at. And one of the strategies that we try to use is to go through a lot of the farm markets.
Okay.
Places like Aspinwalls in Salem, Osley Orchards in Salem. We also are at, Helvetia Market. It's in Hillsboro.
Okay.
Urban Farm Market in Hillsboro. Lee Farms. And so you can see kind of the direction that we really try to go is those places have a lot of fresh produce, a lot of unique sauces, a lot of unique local small companies pretty much support them, and they support each other. And so we're kind of right in there. And so they can see that we're made here in Woodburn, and then they can see all the other local companies that we're associated with.
And you talked about how you source, these materials locally, and you bring them in, but you're actually producing it right here too.
That is correct. So keep in mind that we are on a 1,500-acre farm, and so we have the ability and the capability to actually produce some of the raw materials right here.
Gotcha. And so we've talked about some of these great varieties that you have, and you can also get them here out at Wooden Shoe. But you're in the works. You have some other products that we're talking about too.
Yeah. So we got a lot of big ideas, big plans, big goals, and so one of the directions we want to go because of my partnership here with the Wooden Shoe,
right? And the red hemp.
And red hemp. So we wanted to go that direction. We're going to, in the real near future, we're going to introduce hemp pasta.
Very cool.
Yeah. And so we've already made a couple batches of it, and it turned out, it exceeded our expectation. And so we're going to push forward with that.
So in addition to the exciting hemp products that you have coming out, you also have kind of partnered up and have some other products that are coming up for the holidays too.
Absolutely. So we're going to partner with the Wooden Shoe. They're a winery. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put together gift boxes that will include pasta, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and wine.
Who's not going to like that?
Exactly.
Christmas present.
Exactly.
So for more information on the Esotico pastas or any of the other products that they have in the pipeline, make sure you go to gardentime.tv, and we'll click you over to their website. And so Barry, it's been a pleasure to be out here and learn about your pasta making process and what you guys have on the horizon. It's very exciting.
Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it.